souvenir items at mga kakaibang gawa ng Pinoy tampok sa APEC Expo sa World Trade Center. Mayamang kultura ng Pilipinas, makikita at mararanasan ng mga delegado ng APEC Summit sa naturang expo. Ang ulat mula kay Rocky Ignacio.
Handa na ang Pilipinas sa ipabot ang mainit na pagtanggap sa global leaders at delegado kaugnay ng Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Leaders Summit sa susunod na linggo. Pinangunahan ni Presidential Communications Secretary Sunny Coloma ang pagbubukas ng APEC Expo sa World Trade Center kung saan makikita at mararanasan ng mga bisita ang mayamang kultura ng Pilipinas. Ang World Trade Center rin na magsisilbing International Media Center na magiging tahanan ng mga mamahayag na magpapaabot ng kaganapan ng economic meeting sa mundo.
We Filipinos pride ourselves in extending the best of the warmth of our hospitality to all our friends and visitors. And this is why we have spared no efforts in making the World Trade Center, our international media center, a real home for our working journalists. And we are thanking our friends from Cebu, from Mandaue City, for their assistance and support in mounting this exhibit of Filipino products, products that are of excellent quality, products that are world-class, and products that Filipinos can well be proud to present to our friends from overseas.
Kasama na dito ang kakaibang gawang Pinoy na tunay na maipagmamalaki. Kabilang sa mga ipinakita ni Secretary Coloma ang silya mula sa Mandaue na gawa sa anay.
Yung anay na ina-associate natin sa kabulukan, na-harvest yung anay, binake ito, nilagyan ng cladding at may ilaw at ngayon ay isa ng luxury sofa. At marami pang ibang ganitong produkto.
Bukod sa natatanging design ng furniture, agaw atensyon rin sa exhibit ang disenyo ng kotseng ito, habang may mga bags rin at iba pang souvenir items katulad ng sabon, cologne, accessories at ref magnets. Makikita ang mga ito sa lugar kung saan magtatrabaho ang media sa panahon ng APEC.
So we have here an exhibit and we also have here items that can be bought and taken home as souvenirs. It is said that the way to make an event most memorable is to give the people who experience it a tangible memento of that event. And so therefore, the souvenirs that are being exhibited, the souvenir items, the handicrafts, the excellent work of Filipino artisans that are here will serve as a memento of the unique experience that is APEC 2015 in the Philippines. And this is also a showcase of why, as host, the Philippines has chosen the theme Building Inclusive Economies and Building a Better World.
Makikita rin ang state-of-the-art facility ng Media Center kung saan nakalagay ng malaking screen para makita ang mga kaganapan ng pulong. May 5 itong briefing rooms at lugar para sa live report ng television reporters. Tiniyak rin ang katatagan ng internet connection sa Media Center.
So again, in behalf of the President and of our Philippine government, I welcome you all to this exhibit of the International Media Center. This Media Center is your home for APEC 2015.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.